Let's import domain rating from Ahrefs for every URL in the website table. First, add a number field called DR. That's where the domain rating scores will go. Now create a new grid view called needs_DR. Add two filters. URL is not empty and DR is empty. This way, Data Fetcher will only process URLs that don't already have a rating, so you're not wasting API calls. Add the Data Fetcher extension to your base from the Airtable extension marketplace. Then sign in or sign up if you're new to Data Fetcher. On the Data Fetcher homepage, click Create Request. Select Custom for the application, then paste in the domain rating endpoint URL. Rename the request to Import DR. Now go to Parameters. Click Add and enter Target as the parameter name. For the value, click the plus button, select your URL field, make sure each record in a view is selected, and confirm. Add a second parameter called Date. Enter today's date in year, month, day format. We'll make this dynamic later. Next, select the Authorization tab. In your Ahrefs account, create an API key. Change the authorization type to bearer token and paste in the API key. Now everything is set up. Click Save and Run. The endpoint returns two fields. Under Domain Rating, click Existing field and select your DR field. Click Save and Run. Data Fetcher will create the new field and import the domain rating for each record. Head back to your default grid view and you'll see the scores populated for each URL. Let's make the date dynamic. Add a new formula field to your table called Today. Paste in the formula from this video's description. Now open your request in Data Fetcher, find the date parameter and remove the hard-coded value. Then click the plus button. Under Field, select Today. Finally, click Confirm. Now the request will always pull data for today's date. To automate the request, upgrade to a paid Data Fetcher plan and click Authorize under Schedule. Give Data Fetcher access to your Airtable bases and click Grant Access. Choose your interval, minutes, hours, days, or months. Click Save. Your Airtable Ahrefs integration will now run on autopilot. We use domain rating here, but you can use the exact same approach with other Ahrefs endpoints. Just swap in a different URL and adjust the parameters. Check out our channel for other Airtable API integrations. Thanks for watching.